an early evening safe and sane demo. But you know what? My new brand here, Warrior Fireworks, we got this Warrior Orange Camo Smoke. Look at the size of this thing. Woo! This thing is huge, right? It comes with 2 sticks, and when you look at it here, it'll let you know, again, you know, be careful, right? Light fuse and get away! But check this out, 2 minutes of smoke, and orange smoke no less. So, you can see the canisters here. These are pretty heavy, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and get this ready on the BBQ Rando launch pad. Love that logo, man. That is so flippin' awesome. So, let's come back and check it out. You know what I'm going to say? BBQ! Alright, my granddaughter Arianna is with me. Arianna, are you ready? Yeah. She's ready. What do you always say? Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get this with a regular Bic lighter. Come on. Oh, for goodness sakes. There we go. We got it. Watch, Ari. Orange smoke.
Is it the smoke?
Yeah. Check it out. Whoa.
It's exploding.
Oh, it's orange. It's supposed to go for 2 minutes. Ho, ho, ho. Look at this. I think so. I'm going to get a little bit closer. So watch here. Whoa. I love the plume.
It's only been about like 30 seconds.
You think it's been about 30 seconds? Okay. That doesn't look like the color of a barbecue pickle, does it? No.
Orange is the barbecue.
Whoa, it's attacking Grandpa here. Oh, okay. Whoa, it's going that way now. Now I close the door, Grandma. Oh, Mrs. BBQ Rando, jeez. There we go. Good thing it's windy tonight. I know she did. Okay. All right. What do you think? How many barbecue pickles does this smoke stick get?
10,000.
10,000. All right, everybody. Arianna, my granddaughter, is giving it a 10,000 rating.
There's 1 more minute left.
Oh my goodness, this is going really good. Oh, look out, it's coming this way. Woo! Oh, I love it. That's got to be the best smoke stick I've ever seen, especially in orange color. All right, she's slowing down. I sure do. So let me say this, everybody. Barbecue! Buy some Warrior Fireworks smoke.